Hey everyone, welcome back. Winter is here and it's time to get back to the cabin. Today we're digging the snow machines out of storage, blazing a trail over the river and through the woods, clearing the trail into the property, and checking to see how the cabin held up for the 6 months since we've last visited. My name is Aaron and we're making it in Alaska. Come along for the ride. Hey everyone, winter is back. It's time to go see if we can make it to the cabin. We've been scouting out the river for the last month or so, and it's looking like it's starting to freeze over. Report is there's still some open water, but we're going to dig out the snow machines today and see how things look when we get down there, and see if we can make it across the river. Hey, future Aaron, if you're watching this, park it somewhere easier to get out next winter. Whew. Yeah, I can hear water right there. If my size 15 boot can't make it through, we should be good, right? Alright, we're ready. Today's the day we're going to make it up to the cabin. We tried the other day. We made it up to the top of the hill, but then it got dark, so we had to turn around and come back home. So today we're going to make it the rest of the way across. The river crossing is still a little bit iffy, but we tested it out really well the other day when we were trying to get ready, and everything looks safe enough that we'll continue on, try today. See if we can make it all the way into the cabin. Let's go. Of course, before we do that, we have to get Chelsea's snow machine dug out of the shed. Off we go.
This is our first real obstacle that we've encountered. We're gonna have to figure out how to move it.
Besides the river.
Besides the river, but the first obstacle, trail obstacle.
Christmas tree.
Can I bring it home?
It turned out this was just the beginning of our trail obstacles.
Almost hit you with that one.
Yep. And then again.
Well, watch out.
It was at this point I really wished I'd brought my gas-powered chainsaw. Pushing the DeWalt to the max. Last year we entered our property from the lake. This year we were here earlier in the year and the trail that normally goes over this stream is still wet. So our last challenge to get to the cabin is to walk in from the top of our property in 18 inches of snow.
Are we gonna make it?
I think so.
Come to the sound of my voice.
Stop being lost. You're supposed to.
That's all right. We gotcha. We're almost there.
I saw me too.
All right, we're almost there.
We're almost there.
Through foot with little legs.
You're not much shorter than I am.
Yeah, but I actually made trail. I made trail too.
Hey, Skylar. Tell all the people watching this on their TV sitting in their living room how easy it is. No words.
This life isn't for everyone, but anyone willing to put in the effort can make this happen. The joy doesn't come from reaching the destination, but it's all the memories created along the way. We call this cabining. Cabining is the act of exploring, adventuring, building, napping, playing, fishing, gaming, failing, and getting back up to try again, all surrounding a man-made structure in the woods.
Just like we left it. Nice. No evidence of squirrel inhabitants. Wonderful.
So tired.
Thanks for waiting for me, Cabin Crocs.
After our 3-hour trip in, we only had a little time to warm up by the fire and be reminded of the many projects we have ahead this winter. The goal is to get this cabin completely finished before April. Even though the cabin is up, there are still so many things to do. I'm working towards having a battery-powered electrical system in addition to the generator. We're planning on putting tongue and groove on the inside walls and milling siding for the exterior. We We need a smaller ladder for up to the loft, and so many more things. I'm planning on making a new video and releasing them every Saturday until I can't keep up. If there's anything that you would like to see in our videos, let me know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed joining us on our adventure. See you on the next one.